Hey everyone, welcome back to iPhoneglob. Today we've got some exciting news straight from Apple. iOS 18 is here, and it comes packed with a feature that many of you have been waiting for: the Repair Assistant for configuring genuine Apple replacement parts. Let's dive in. So what exactly is the Repair Assistant? This new feature in iOS 18 allows users and technicians to easily set up and configure genuine Apple replacement parts right from their devices. This means that if you ever need to replace a part, like a screen or battery, you can do it with confidence, knowing that you're using authentic Apple components. Now, you might be wondering why this is such a big deal. First off, using genuine parts ensures that your device maintains its performance and safety standards. Counterfeit or third-party parts can lead to issues like overheating, poor battery life, or even device failure. With the Repair Assistant, you can ensure that your iPhone or iPad is in tip-top shape. So how does it work? Once you've updated to iOS 18, you'll find the Repair Assistant in the Settings app. When you replace a part, simply follow the on-screen prompts to configure it. The system will verify the part's authenticity and guide you through any necessary steps to ensure your device is set up properly. It's like having a mini repair guide right in your pocket. This feature is a game changer not only for everyday users, but also for technicians and repair shops. It streamlines the repair process, reduces the risk of using non-genuine parts, and ultimately enhances customer satisfaction. Plus, it gives users more control over their devices, empowering them to make informed decisions about repairs. So, what do you think about the new Repair Assistant in iOS 18? Are you excited to have this feature at your fingertips? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.